of this Pamarajana. 1, 2, 3, start. Pamarajana Pavalini Umayi. Means those who are poor with so much of pain we are showing. And Uma, who removes all the pain, the goddess Parvati removes all the pain, who goddess Parvati. We are showing the posture of goddess Parvati. 1, 2, 3, start. Pamarajana Pavalini Umayi Tannil Padiyai Kondavane. So left side we are showing Uma, same as previous hand, and this half, like left half, this is half, one half, okay. So left half Parvati and right half you lift your leg, this side, left side, and this is Damaru we are holding, means we are showing the Shiva. The posture is like this. You have to stand.